nothing to drink in that one.
No? So what were you saying about rocks and baths again?
No rocks. No rocks in that.
So, that waterfall we just went to, was it a bath?
No.
No. How come?
Because there was rocks and stuff.
Oh, I see, okay.
Because no rocks and baths.
That's true. Put some what?
Some extra water.
Extra water inside, yeah.
Yeah. You put hot water inside.
Yep. All right, we'll say bye.